you find that your staff stays, the retention is easier at the adult day center? I
Oh,
mean,
100 times. Yeah. Just because all you gotta do is have fun. Like that's what we joke all the time. Because like when my assisted living or my home care agency would be having issues when it came to staffing, like especially during the whole COVID crisis, and you'd have multiple people out with COVID, and then you'd have everyone like working overtime, and they're stressed out, and it was just like, oh my God, I'm like, this is like a lot on everyone. I would say that at least with the adult daycare, it's like, like that environment just produces a much happier like work environment. Whereas, there's just certain, and the thing is like, for the most part is all the stress ends at 6 p.m.,
yeah,
like,
that's true. Everybody goes
you're
home.
like, everyone goes home, but as soon as the vans are in, like I have no more stress, then all I got to do is worry about home care, so it's like, and I used to have to worry about the assisted living too, but like, it's just there is those levels of stress on a 24/7 like, job that where I think in the adult daycare it produces a better work environment. Plus everyone's working together, so unlike assisted living, you might have first shift, second shift, third shift, and those shifts sometimes would kind of have beef with each other, and then with home care, you have like this separation from your team in the field to their team in the office, and so like how to bridge those gaps. Like if you can bridge those gaps, I think like you can create really tight bonds, but it takes a lot of intentional effort.
Hey guys, thank you so much for joining me. If you'd like to learn how to open your own adult daycare center, go to adcpro.com. If you'd like the latest business tips, click here, and make sure you subscribe to our channel. Click here. We'll see you guys next time.